Okay, so I'm getting ready to install this SSD or internal SSD 4 terabyte by Silicon Power on the on my PS5. So I'm gonna just prepare it. I have a table ready where I can install it, and then I gotta make sure I have the latest system software. So I think I do, but you go to settings and system software, and it's console information. Over there it'll say system software is up to date, so I'm good on that. Next, I just power the system down to get it ready. um, go power, and I turn off the PS5, and the light should go off when it's powered down, I think. Yep, there we go. This is just an external hard drive. So next I have to unplug all the cables. I will plug them back again later, but for now I just unplug all the cables, like the back, the power cable, and then this is the HDMI, and this is a USB connection for charging my controller. That's yet another USB connection. So yeah, all cables disconnected, and the PS5 is ready for installing the SSD. And I just take it carefully over here, bring it on a soft cloth, ready for installation. And then there's a video on how to do it. There's the official PlayStation video that I found on YouTube on how to do it. So let's play this.
PlayStation 5 users can add a supported M.2 SSD with a cooling structure to expand their PS5 console storage. In this video, we will go over a step-by-step process to successfully install your extended storage device. Please note that you need to use an M.2 SSD with a cooling structure, such as a heatsink, that meets the required specifications. For more information on the required specifications, please visit playstation.com/support. After you have purchased your supported M.2 SSD and its compatible cooling structure, you will also need a sturdy table in a well-lit room, a number 1 Phillips screwdriver, and optionally a soft cloth and a flashlight. Before we start, it is important that your PS5 has been updated to the latest system software. Now that you have your PS5 prepared and your supported M.2 SSD with heatsink already attached, touch a metal object to remove any static electricity from your body. We recommend placing your console on top of a flat surface with a protective covering. Then position the console so that the PS logo is face down and the power button is facing away from you. Once your PS5 is in position, use your right hand to grip the edge of the bottom right corner and your left hand to grip the edge of the top left corner of the cover. Gently lift the cover up with the right hand. Slide the cover off with your left thumb while using your fingers to stabilize the PS5. As you remove the cover, you will see the expansion slot. From here, you will need to use a number 1 Phillips screwdriver to unscrew and lift away the cover. It is important that you verify that you have the proper sized screwdriver to avoid damaging the screws. Take extra.
Okay, so we could try that. I think you have to get the base off first though, and so we'll turn it this way for now. And I think to get the base off, this screw like thing here. I don't remember how to get the base off, but I think you can just use this, unscrew it from here. Yeah, there we go. It's pretty easy. It's not even, it's just threaded at the end, the screw, and then it just pops out like this, the base. And then you set it over here, and this is ready to install. And we turn it around like this according to what the video said. And we turn it this way. Yep, with this with all these connections facing us. And this is the right side, this is the left. So I'm going to attempt to do what they suggested, which is I want you to take the video while I'm doing this, so I'll finish this and then come back to taking the video.